All right, so now we have the same pedigree as the previous problem. Same parents, same situation, and they're going to have a second child, and they want to know if their new child is going to be affected by the same genetic disease. Well, we know that it's autosomal recessive, so we don't have to worry about sex chromosomes or anything here. We need to figure out first some probabilities. So we know that if the affected offspring is affected, they're minus minus. So the parents must be heterozygous here. So then if we set up a simple Punnett square, we can see that all of the possible options are plus plus, plus minus, and minus minus. There are 4 options total, and only one out of these 4 options results in another affected individual. So for this question, 1 out of 4, or 25%, would be the probability of them having another child with galactosemia. Now, this isn't the probability that they would have another child in addition to the first one. This is just as an independent single event, what's the probability that they'll have an affected child based on what we know now. And because both are heterozygous, we know that there's a 1 in 4 chance that they can produce another offspring that has this rare autosomal recessive disease, galactosemia.